So in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy player on your FIFA 24. So for that you need to go your market, press on market, and then this is the recommendation, but you want to buy a player by username or with a balance or with your current position. For that you need to go your search option, press on search, and then you can type your player. Suppose I want to Ronaldo, then press on search. No Ronaldo available. So go back, and again search option, filter, and then suppose I want to buy some player on CM or like midfielder actually. So search, press on search, and this is my current balance. Make sure your balance, and this is the price value, the player price value. So you must need to buy your player with your balance. So let's find some player with my price. So Fabinho would be a good choice. Zamal Musele, this is also good. Suppose I want to buy this player, so press on this player, and press on purchase, and again you need to press on purchase. You can also bid higher, but I don't want to do that. So if you want to purchase, then press on just purchase and press on confirm. And now don't purchase again, so go back and press on my order, and then you can see your player is purchased. So claim player and add confirm, and go back and go to your club and press on my team, and then you can add this one, that's hold and swipe, and go back, and your player is now in your team. So this is how you can easily buy a player from your FIFA 24. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question or if you face any problem, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.